Hello, I'm Mia from Miro AI Studio. Now you can create circuit diagrams directly in Miro. Let's see how. Open a Miro board and click Formats in the left toolbar. Select Diagram and click anywhere on the board to place it. Click Add Shapes to enter diagramming mode. Look for Electrical Engineering and you will see 79 specialized shapes organized into categories: core components, transistors, power sources, relays, logic gates, and miscellaneous symbols. Everything you need to build professional circuit diagrams. Let's build a basic LED circuit with a resistor and power source. Start by adding a power source from the Power Control section. Drag the battery symbol onto your canvas. Add a resistor from the Basic section to limit current flow and protect the LED. Add an LED from the Semiconductor section. This will be your light-emitting diode. Connect these components using connection lines. Click L or use the connection tool to draw lines between components, showing how current flows through the circuit. Your circuit now shows power source to resistor to LED and back to complete the circuit. This is a functional schematic anyone can understand. Add labels to each component to specify values. Use text boxes to note resistor values in ohms, voltage ratings, or component identifiers like R1, LED1, D1. Clear labeling makes your diagrams readable for team reviews, documentation, or educational purposes. Invite electrical engineers, product teams, or whoever you want to your board for real-time collaboration. Use comments to discuss component choices, voting to prioritize design options, or sticky notes to capture ideas for improvements. Because everything stays in Miro, your circuit diagrams live alongside project plans and specifications. Once your circuit diagram is complete, export it as a PDF or image. Go to the three dots in the top left corner, click Board, then Export. Select Save as PDF. Perfect for including in technical documentation, presentations, or educational materials. Circuit diagrams in Miro bring electrical engineering into your collaborative AI innovation workspace. Design, review, and refine without switching tools. Subscribe for more tutorials on diagramming, technical design, and visual collaboration in Miro. See you in the next one.